Hello, my dear traders. Very welcome to Utum's Trading Academy. And today also we are going to have another session with binary options. Are you ready, guys? Let's go for our today day trade. All right, my dear traders. So today I choose the currency pair USD JPY currency pair, and in the beginning of this trade, guys, in my live account I have $1,000, $1,000, and the first investment is going to be $500. And guys, let's push up with this currency pair, and let me explain what's going on with the market, guys. So market strategy like went up, went down little by little, hit the bottom, and time to grow up, guys. So far so good. Follow the trend. I'm always telling you that to follow the trend is our friend, guys, because if you're following trend, guys, you will never lose your money. And with the 95 more than 95 of accuracy, you can get the profit, guys, if you're following trend, guys. And according to RS indicator below, let me analyze it, guys. Yeah, it's it's moving into the overbought zone, guys, little by little. When it hit the overbought zone, it's time to turn down, guys. So far so good. Yeah, if you don't know what is the RS indicator, moving average, and overbought zone, oversell zone, watch my previous videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button for this video, guys. So I made this profit, guys. First profit is $960, clean profit is $460, and let's push up, follow the trend, guys. Yeah, let's follow the trend. Let's push up, and let me explain about the RSI indicator again, guys. What's going on? It's reaching into the overbought zone little by little, and when it hit the overbought zone, it's time to turn down, guys. And look at this, guys. Pay attention on this previous red candle, the little red candle, previous one, guys. It's a fake candle, guys. Every time, guys, in trading market, guys, kind of these candles, fake candles are appearing. If you are getting wrong idea about the market, guys, so then you will lose your money every time, guys. So that's why you need to improve your trading knowledge every day, guys, about fake candles, what is the fake candle, and everything, guys. Guys, look at this. As I told you, guys, follow the trend, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna make it second profit, guys. Another $960, 460, my clean profit, guys. And let's change the currency pair, yeah, with $500. Yeah, this one. Okay, let's push up with $500. And according to the RSI here, let me analyze, guys. And let me explain you. According to the RSI indicator, it hit the bottom, guys, the oversell zone, guys. So look at this, it hit the bottom and then turned up, guys. So it's growing up right now, little by little. By the way, yeah, okay, all right. So guys, if you really want to improve your trading knowledge, all you have to do a really simple thing: go to the below description and find the link for my VIP Telegram channel. In my VIP Telegram channel, it's available and extra educational things, my tactics, my experience, my online updates about market and trading, and also my tactics, guys. If you are a beginner, you will become a professional day trader within few weeks, guys. So far so good. Oh shit, yeah, I didn't make it, guys. Let's go with 1,000, and guys, let's push push up, guys. Yeah, previous one I didn't make it, guys, because yeah, it's like every time we can't make profits, guys. But my mission is at the end of the day, make some good profit, guys. So that's why don't panic with when you're losing some money for some trades, guys. It doesn't matter. The mission is at the end of the day, make our profit, good one, the better one, the best one, guys. So far so good, guys. And guys, don't forget to follow my VIP Telegram channel, be a member, a community member in my VIP Telegram channel, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button for this video. Don't forget about it. Okay. All right, my dear traders, I'm making it. Yeah, I made it $1,800. 800 is my clean profit, and let's go with yep. Okay, 800, and let's push up, follow the trend, guys, and let me explain what's going on. It went down and it's time to push up, guys. It went down, guys, like little by little, and it hit the oversell zone below RSI indicator. So then now time to growing up little by little, climb up, guys. So let it go, and guys, yeah, we are going to make this yeah, fake candles are appearing. Fake candles means, guys, with the fake candles, don't get panic, guys. You need to be sure about your market analysis and then put your investment, guys. So when time is come for real trade, guys, so then invest for it, guys. So and don't lose your money, guys. Okay, all right, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, made it, guys. $1,440 profit, guys. So yeah, let's push up for sure. Okay, we are going to make it, guys. Make it. Yeah, I think for today it's enough. Enough for today. By the way, after this I'm gonna close the market, guys. Okay, all right, and guys, the thing is, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button for this video, and follow my VIP Telegram channel. All the links below in my description. You can find it easily, really easy, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna make it for sure, guys, for sure. I'm gonna make it. Yeah. Okay, another green candle has appeared. It means, guys, I'm gonna make this profit definitely, guys. Definitely made it, guys. $1,440, and guys, in my live account, how much I have? $3,500, guys. So I started up with $1,000 and I have made $2,500 profit for today day trade, guys. So my dear traders, what do you think about today my day trade? Let me know in the below comment section. If you want to become a professional and profitable day trader, follow my instructions, follow my tactics. Let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Utums Trading Academy. See you and goodbye, guys.